Basic roll towel folding. Lay the towel flat on a clean surface. Smooth out any wrinkles. Fold the towel in half lengthwise. Starting from one shirt end, roll the towel tightly toward the other hand. Adjust the edge to make the roll neat and even. Roll towel folding flipper style. Place the towel flat on the table. Fold one corner diagonally inward to form a triangle. Fold the towel lengthwise, keeping the triangle tip facing. Roll the towel tightly from the bottom and upward. Loop the triangle end over the rolled towel to secure it in place. To create the jellyfish tentacle. Heart-shaped towel folding. Lay the towel flat. Fold the towel in half lengthwise. Roll both long sides inward toward the center. Fold the towel in half from top to bottom. Shape the top edge by rounding them to form a heart. Adjust the folds until the heart shape is clear and balanced. Basic fold towel folding. Place the towel flat on a clean surface. Fold it in half lengthwise. Fold it again lengthwise to form a rectangle. Fold the towel into thirds or halves, depending on the desired size. Smooth the edge to keep it neat and uniform.